Power Sharing Social Science Class 10. Story of Belgium. Belgium is a small country in Europe which has a small population. The ethnic composition of this country is very small. Out of the total population of the country, 59% lives in Flemish region and speaks Dutch language. Another 40% lives in the Wallonia region and they speak French. Remaining 1% of the Belgians speak German. In Belgium's capital, Brussels, 80% people speak French while 20% are Dutch speaking. The minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful. This made the Dutch speaking community angry as they had the benefit of economic development and education much later. During the 1950s and 1960s, tensions between the Dutch-speaking and French-speaking communities created due to these differences that were existing. Story of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation south of India having diverse population of about 2 crore people. The major social groups are Sinhala speakers about 74% and Tamil speakers about 18%. Tamils are decided into 2 groups. Sri Lanka Tamils about 30%. They are the Tamil natives of the country. Indian Tamils about 5%. They came from India during colonial period as plantation workers. Most of the Sinhala speaking people are Buddhists, while most of the Tamils are Hindus and Muslims. There are about 7% Christians who are both Tamil and Sinhala. Majoritarianism in Sri Lanka. The democratically elected government adopted a series of majoritarian policy measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. These are Sinhala as the only official language. The government followed preferential policies that favored Sinhala applicants for university positions and government jobs. These decisions gradually increased the following of alienation among the Sri Lanka Tamils. The Sri Lanka Tamils launched parties and struggles for the recognition of Tamil as an official language for regional autonomy and equality of opportunity. By 1880s, several organizations were formed demanding an independent Tamil Elam state in northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. It soon turned into civil war. Between 1970 and 1973, the Belgian constitution amended 4 times to work out an arrangement that would make everyone to live together. Accommodation in Belgium. The elements of the Belgian model are: Constitution prescribes that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. Many powers of the central government have been given to the state governments of the 2 regions of the country. Brussels has a separate government in which both the communities have the equal representation. There is also provision of community government elected by people belonging to one language community which has the power regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. Why power sharing is desirable? Power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between the social groups. Power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. A democratic rule involves sharing powers with those affected by its exercise and who has to live with its effects. Forms of power sharing. In modern democracies, power sharing arrangements can take many forms. Horizontal distribution of the powers. Power is shared among different organs of the government such as the legislative, the executive and also the judiciary. Federal government is also called the vertical distribution of the power. Power can be shared by the governments at different levels. A general government at the entire country and governments at the general and provincial level. Example, the USA. Power may also be shared among different social groups such as the religious and the linguistic groups. Power sharing arrangements can also be seen in the way political parties pressure groups and movements control or influence those in power.